Hello friends, today we will learn how to use LEN function in Excel. So what is LEN function? LEN is a function which returns the number of characters present in a text string. So let's take an example here. So we want to know how many characters are present in word green. So we'll type LEN, then we will select this keyword and then we will press enter. So now we can see there are 5 characters present in this word green. So that is GREEN. And similarly, we can copy paste this formula to other cells to see how many characters are present in Monica and Ross respectively. So we can see in Ross we have 4 characters, in Monica we have 6 characters. So this is how you use len function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you guys.